Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to do the summary, tell you the summary of this chapter Elephants Raid the Kitchen, and then after we'll see question answer of this chapter. So, in the previous two videos of the same chapter, explanation has been done. So, if you have not seen, you can see the explanation part also on the playlist. You can go and access the video. So let's start the summary. The chapter name is Elephants Raid the Kitchen, written by Cynthia Moss. This extract features Tuskless, an elephant, and her companions entering the camp kitchen after they got tempted by the it's a smell of bananas and other fruits. They raided the kitchen in such a way that it was about to blow off. Now if you remember कि वो गैस सिलेंडर का पाइप खुल गया था तो कुछ भी हो सकता था, ब्लो हो ही सकता था. So now here we will see this summary into three parts. Day before the raid, when Masaku, the cook, and the camp worker was on 5-day leave. And then the entry of her friend, narrator's friend Phyllis. He was a campmate of the narrator, returns from a trip to Nairobi with a huge load of groceries, meat, fresh fruits, and vegetables. So these all things were kept in that tent, and because of that, the fruits, ripped bananas, temptation, reached to that Tuskless, and then they raided the tent. Now, the morning of the raid. So, the morning of the raid, that day, filmmakers Warren and Jenny Garst arrived the camp. They too bring another, a load of food, and it was all again stored into that tent, and the remained part was stored into the you can say a fridge, and remained part was stored into that car. Now the day when Tuskless and their companions raided, that was evening time, and the narrator Phyllis and filmmakers were not there. They have went away for a dinner, and that camp was totally unattended. When they saw that Tuskless, when the companion of Tuskless saw that he was marching towards the tent in search of food, because Tuskless has smelt food, and then he was turning towards the kitchen. Their companions also came along with her. Now Tuskless wrap her trunk around the sigil pole that supports the kitchen, and after that she gets the pole rigged. Tuskless makes a sizable hole in the wall of the kitchen and reaches her trunk out to feel for bananas. Tuskless, feel impatient, starts pushing the wall. Then the other elephants join her. The building collapses sideways. However, Tuskless enters other, and others followed her. They start eating bananas, mangoes, pineapples, papayas, and orange. They have all finished, and then after they started feeding on carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, avocados, eggs, plants, lettuce, cabbages, and cauliflowers. Now, after that, started lifting the tin box. When it was over, they have lifted the tin box which were carrying cookies, breads, and crackers. And when they did not, got that easily, they turned it upside down and then they disgorged the whole content out of that tin box. Crushes, crushed the cooler, and they also, crushed the small freezer. Now, this is how Tuskless does not stop raiding the camps even after this incident, and she still raids as many as 3 or 4 camps a day now. These days, she inspects the narrator's camp to make another attempt, but she is chased away by Masaku. She is nonchalant, unmoved when Masaku comes out, and this raid will go on. So these are the, these were the things which you can write in the summary of this chapter. Now we'll see the question answer exercise. So hold on one second. Let me go to the page of exercise. Now we'll see reading one. Okay, reading one. So the first question is that based on your reading of the text, select the best option for each of the following. As she stopped feeding and rumbled gently, Tuskless rumbled. Let me take the brush. So the option one, to signal other elephants to come. Yes, it might be. So will we keep it in like backup? To scare humans? No, it was wrong. To shake the bananas loose? No. To show reluctance to move out? No. So the correct answer is option one. Now we'll see. You can also answer if you know the answer. You can answer in the comment section box, guys. Now question B: elephant. Each elephant grabbed a last trunk full and started backing or turning away reluctantly, abandoning the banquet. The elephants left reluctantly because options are they were scared of the sound of the engine. It could be they wanted to look for more food in the collapsed kitchen. Wrong. There was no food in the forest. Wrong. They had their fill and it was difficult to wrong. So again the answer is first option. So दोनों का आंसर पहला ऑप्शन है. Next we'll see answer the following questions. Now who was Tuskless? How was she drawn to the camp? Now to the answer of this question you can write down Tuskless was an elephant, right? And the answer of the second question, she was drawn to the camp, and you can add the line from here. Hold on. She was drawn to the camp. By by the delicious odor of very ripe bananas, which was wafting from the place where the food was kept. You can pause it. You can go back and you can listen the answer once again if you haven't heard. Tuskless was drawn to the camp. Hold on just one second. Because of the delicious odor of ripe bananas, which was wafting from the place where the food was kept. So ये पहला क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया. दूसरा क्वेश्चन है आपका, how had Tuskless developed the taste for bananas? So to the answer of this question you can write down Tuskless developed a taste for bananas after eating ripped bananas near to the laws where a man with wheelbarrows comes to uh, throw the scrap of fruits and vegetables in which he got ripped bananas, and from that time uh, Tuskless became of you can say became fan of that bananas. सो ये आंसर आप लिख लीजिएगा इसका दूसरे क्वेश्चन का. हाउ हैड टस्कलेस डेवलप्ड अ टेस्ट फॉर बनानास. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. हाउ डिड द एलिफेंट्स इंटर द किचन. So answer to this question number C. The elephants entered the kitchen after reckoning the sizzle pole and tearing the wall of that tent. However, you can write more in this answer. इसमें आप और ऐड कर सकते हैं. Let me add few more answer to this question. Hold on just 1 second. Now they actually Tuskless actually made a sizable hole in a wall of the kitchen, and then after she reached her trunk and tried to feel for bananas. And when they didn't get near about that, then after they pushed the ball, and the whole sideways of that wall was collapsed and the building was swayed. So they this is how you can this is how they reached enters the kitchen. नेक्स्ट है आपका क्वेश्चन डी नंबर. गेटिंग फूड आउट ऑफ द टेंट वॉज नॉट ईजी फॉर टस्कलेस. एक्सप्लेन. तो इसका आंसर आप लिख सकते हैं. गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द टेंट getting food out of the tent was not easy for Tuskless because where the food was kept and from where Tuskless was trying to grab those foods were having distance, and in between those there was a cupboard and there was a table kept. So first thing was for the Tuskless to reach the food and then grab it outside. However, Tuskless was not reaching directly to the food and she could not manage to bring those foods out. After collapsing, after pushing the wall, they actually thrashed the whole tent, and then after they just moved around and went from the other side, because one side of the wall way was collapsed. So they rushed to the other side, and from that other side the whole food was in front of them, and then after they enjoyed the feast. Now next question, E number. What was near ecstasy for the readers? So to answer of this question, near ecstasy, I have already said कि ecstasy का मतलब क्या होता है. परमानंद हिंदी में बोलते हैं उसको. Extreme pleasure. So to answer of this question, you can write down near ecstasy for the readers were the moments when the whole big size of pineapple went into their mouth, and when they crushed it with the help of molar teeth, and the amount of juice which went inside their throat were quite enough for their ecstasy. Now next question है आपका. What did the narrator first do on her arrival at the camp? To answer of this question, you can write down the narrator, when arrived at the camp and saw that elephants had raided on the kitchen, she kept quiet and she blown the light of her car. Even after that, when elephants were not moving from there, she started the engine and marched towards the tent. And when she found that still elephants are not moving, then she uh, you know put the accelerator on so high speed so that the engine can make lots of noise, and that is how the elephants ran away from there. These were the things which narrator did there after the arrival at the camp. Next question है आपका, why did the narrator blame herself for the miss? Now to answer this question, इस question का answer होगा, the narrator blames herself for the miss because she felt that if things which were kept outside could have been could have been like settled properly within the trunk, so that no odor or smell or of ripe bananas could come out, and that was the reason why the elephant raided the kitchen. So for that reason the narrator blames herself for the miss. नाउ गाइज हम लोग देखते हैं रीडिंग टू क्वेश्चन, इसमें देखेंगे लाइक कैंपिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट इज नॉट विदाउट हैजर्ड्स, ब्रिंग दिस आउट विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ द स्टोरी. सो इस स्टोरी में इस स्टोरी से रेफरेंस देते हुए इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है, कैंपिंग इन द फॉरेस्ट इज नॉट विदाउट हैजर्ड्स. सो यू कैन सी like when sorry, when in the story this fridge and refrigerator and cooler were smashed and thrashed by the elephants, and that gas cylinder was left open. It was leaking, and it could have blown if fire or matchstick could have been burnt there. However, apart from these hazards, there were many other, there were many other hazards also present, like safety from the wild animals and elephants, and so many other calamities could be counted as a hazard for those who are camping in the forest. So these are the references which we can give from the story. Now next question आपका, what should have warned the narrator about the elephants' intentions? What should have warned the narrator about the elephants' intentions? तो ये आपको उस कहानी को पढ़ने के बाद समझ के आंसर देना है. तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख सकते हैं, narrator should have been warned about the elephant intentions when they came near the tent first, and Masaku was having a human bond with that elephant, and just because of respect to that Masaku, she was not raiding the kitchen. But still she could, since she was a researcher on elephants, she could have understood her that what she is wanting, and she was observing from very near to that tent for the hunt of foods, vegetables and fruits. So these things could have been warned to the narrator about elephants' intentions. Now next question है, how does the narrator feel about elephants? Compassion or disgust? Give reason. Now you can see to answer of this question, you can see narrator feels what was the feeling of narrator. So इस question का answer लिख सकते हैं, narrator feels compassion about the elephants, and the reason you can give that hold on just 1 second. However, she has not harmed any of the elephants even after that much mess was created by them. So this shows that the narrator was compassionate towards the elephants. Now we'll see next. What part of the narration do you like the most and why? This could be answered by the student only, I think. इसका आंसर आप लोग खुद से लिखिएगा. Tick the traits that best describe Tuskless. Discuss the region. Intelligent, greedy, fearless, caring, risk taker, patient, observant. नाउ आई मीन शुरुआत में तो वो आई मीन ऑब्जर्वेंट था, बाद में रिस्क टेकर हो गया था, तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका रिस्क टेकर होगा. आस्क एज टस्कलेस राइट अ पेज इन योर डायरी डिस्क्राइबिंग द फीस्ट. आप किसी फीस्ट के बारे में अपने डायरी में एंट्री कर सकते हैं, जैसे टस्कलेस ने फीस्ट उड़ाया था, वहाँ पे खाया था. नाउ दीज आर वोकेबलरीज. क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन हियर, ऑप्शंस आर गिवन हियर, and I think you can answer it by your own. Tuskless, Teddy, and the other began feeding around the periphery of the camp, apparently minding their own business and concentrating on eating. Now you can say consequently or disbelieve. Sorry, the correct answer will be disbelievingly. नेक्स्ट है आपका टस्कलेस. आई विल गिव यू सम हिंट. मैं पूरा बताऊंगा नहीं, आपको कुछ आपके टास्क के लिए छोड़ देता हूँ. आई एम गोइंग मूविंग टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. देयर वाज अ टीयरिंग नॉइज एज द पोल वाज रेंक्ड अवे. नाउ you can see here, picked, slid, blown, jugged. blown एक तरीके से उखाड़ा जा चुका था उसको. आप इसको आप और भर सकते हैं. 4 नंबर का होगा डिसगॉर्ज्ड, मतलब इम्पटाइड. दो मैं छोड़ दे रहा हूँ आपके लिए, दैट यू कैन डू बाय योर ओन. Alright guys, so now we have completed this chapter, elephants raided the kitchen, and dear student, actually we have completed the whole new pathways syllabus today. So those uh, who are reading from the book New Pathways can access on my playlist. You can check out my playlist of New Pathways Class 8. All the chapters explanation are given there with the summary and exercises. So thank you guys for the support which you gave all mostly throughout the year pandemic corona, and still I would like you to like and subscribe the video and share it to the needy friends of yours. We'll meet next time. Thank you very much and have a nice day.